Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Today you also discuss from the books R.S. Agrawal edition 2025 continuation 9.3 just like ending this 5, 15 and 16 2. 15 sum number 15 and sum number 16.2. The first sum here if a denote the if a denote the sum of the first 10 terms. The formula is this Sn is equal to of an AP. So prove that S30 is equal to 3 bracket S20 minus S10. No problem. You just put the formula. You just put the formula, value will calculate. Sn, you know Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket twice a n minus 1 into d. Don't to be panic to see the sum. কোনো অঙ্ক থেকে তোমরা প্যানিক হয়ে যাবে না। আগে দেখো, just think in your brain. You know the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 twice a n minus 1 into 2. Just you see, দেখো না কি হয়। Just is a very interesting thing. Sn. So okay. Now, so what's the value of S10? Suppose you write S10. S10, 10 by 2 bracket twice a. This is 10 means actually 9. 10 minus 1 90 is okay. So this is 5. So actually S10 কত 5 to the 10a plus 5 9 45d. Is that okay? S10 is this, value is this. S10 10a plus 45d. This is the equation 1 or 1. And now next S20. S20. What's this? N by 2. So 20 by 2 bracket twice a plus this is n 20. This is 19 into d. So this is 10. So actually multiply 10 to 20a plus 10 190 d. Okay, this is 2. Number 2. Number 20a plus 190 d. Now S30. There is S30. You write S30. S30 is equal to 30 by 2 bracket twice a. 30 means 29d. No problem. So this is 15. So 15 to the 30a plus this is 15 into 29. 15 into 29 435. 435d. So this is the number 3. We just multiply here at 29 and 15. 5 9 4. This is 9. This is 9. So 5 9 5 14 4 435. 5 9 5 4 14. This is 9. This is 2. 5 9 4 3 1 in hand 2 1 4 435. Okay, clear. So what will be proved? Actually this. So first you write the RHS. This is the S30. So you write RHS. 3 bracket S20 minus S10. You just put this 3 bracket. What is the value of S20? This is 20a plus 190d. And this is minus. What is the value of S10? S10 is 10a plus 45d. Don't be panic any sum, you see. Okay, so 3 bracket. This is 20a plus 190d. Gradually increase. 10a plus minus is 45d. No problem. So 3 bracket. This is 20a. This is 10a. Ultimately, this is 10a plus 190, 145. Say 145d. Clear? So if you just multiply this, so this is 30a plus 3 into 145d. What is this? 145 into 3. That. Oh, that's right. 30a plus 435d. But what? This is actually what's the value? S30. So that is equal to S30. Right? That is already the proof. So S30 is equal to this. So you write proof LHS equal to RHS root. From the RHS, you just calculate this, you get this, but this is the value of the S30. You calculate. That means this equal to this. That means 3 bracket S20 minus S10 is equal to S30. Good. No problem. Don't be panic to see any sums. Clear? No problem. দেখে মনে হবে very tough. এটা কি করে হবে? In which way you solve it? You know all this formula. Concept must be clear. You do all this sum. Think in your brain. Brain will be open. Very easier way you solve it. Clear? Clear? Okay? Solve it. No problem. Just I repeat. So this is this. Just do this. This is the S10. 2a plus 9d. So 10, 9, 45. So this is 20. S20, 19d. So this and this. Clear? Put the value 320. 20 is this. Just to repeat. Always check each and every time. Maybe the calculation be mistake. Okay? Clear? So just rub it. The next sum. So this is the 16.2 sums. 16.2. What is the sum? The sum is find the sum of the first 15 multiple of 8. Multiple of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24 in this way. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 24 dot dot dot. Is okay? And up to 15 multiples. That means 15 terms. This is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, fourth, up to 15 terms. Then you sum, then you add it. Okay. So actually 15 terms. That means n is 15. Up to 15 terms, that means n is 15. What is the value of the first term? 8. What is the value of the second term? 16. So value of the first term 8. D, value of the second term minus first term, this also 8. And n is 15. So no problem. You get all these things. A is 8. D is common difference 16 minus 8. If just subtract 24 minus 16, that is also 8. And n is 15. Clear? So Sn, the formula you apply, Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket twice a plus n minus 1 into d. The formula you applied here. So n is 15, 15 by 2. So 2a, a is 8 plus n minus 1, that means 15 minus 1, 14 into d. What's the value of d? D is 8. Okay. So this is 15 by 2 bracket, this is 16 and plus this is just 14 into 8. 1, 1, 12. 1, 1, 2. So this is 15 by 2 into 128. This is 128. 128, that means 64. That means 15 into 64. So 64, 15. Very carefully you calculate. 64. 960. This is the answer. Okay. 960 is the answer. 960 is the answer. That means in that series is an AP series, multiple of 8. 8 first term is 8, second term is 16, third term is 24. This is a multiple of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. In this way, you just form an AP. So here AP, the first term is 8, second term is 16. From there you calculate D. Now you add first up to first 16 sum. What is the value? Sum of this. That means 8 plus 16 plus 24. In this way up to 15 terms. What is the total value sum of this? That is this. 960. Clear? Okay. Clear? That is very concept must be clear. That is the what is the value of the first term? 8. What is the value of the second term? 16. What is the value of the third term? 24. This is the value. 24 is the value of the particular third term. But what is the here is this is basic difference. This 24 actually T3. T3 is 24 or A3 is 24. But what is the S3? S3 means sum. That is 8 plus 16 plus 24. This is S3. So that means 24 plus 24. This is 48. This is. That is the difference. What is the value of the third term? 24. Or T3. Value of the third term. But S3. T3 is this or A3 is this. But S3 is 48. So in this way the third term sum S3. So S15. First 15 sum S15 the sum is 960. Clear? So in this way you solve it. Okay. So thank you for today. If you just understand, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you, student. Thank you.